Now we're going to discuss biological monitoring. The first thing is we want you to conduct your biological monitoring 2 times a year, once with the leaves on and once with the leaves off. Make sure that you do your biological monitoring first before you do your other sampling so that you don't disturb the habitat. You always want to work from a downstream to upstream manner and take 3 net sets from 3 different microhabitats. Now we're going to demonstrate those field procedures.
Once you've submitted your brightly colored site selection data sheet and stream discharge data, you will receive your kick net, forceps, and magnifying lens. Other helpful items would include a handheld garden rake for dislodging the substrate when sampling, a white ice cube tray for sorting your invertebrates, a squirt bottle for keeping the net wet, and the reference materials provided in class for identifying the organisms. Since you don't want to sample from a disturbed area, it's best to conduct your biological monitoring before all other water quality sampling. For the same reason, be sure to work in a downstream to upstream direction so you won't disturb portions of the stream you want to sample later. Always collect 3 net sets from habitats that are slightly different, such as substrate size, current velocities, depths, aquatic plants, leaf packs, and so on. If possible, get all 3 net sets out of a riffle. Sampling a riffle requires 2 people, one person to hold the kick net and the other to dislodge the organisms from the substrate. To sample a riffle, first place the net on the stream bottom while facing upstream and point the tops of the handles toward each other to create a pocket in the net. The other person will put rocks on the bottom to keep from washing the organisms under the net. Remove any large stones from within the 3-foot by 3-foot sampling area and scrub these rocks, washing any invertebrates into the net. Next, do the benthic boogie, kicking and shuffling until you disturb the substrate down to 3 to 6 inches depth. Finally, carefully remove the net, grabbing the bottom and slowly lifting so you don't get the net holder wet. Take the net to shore and begin picking. Remember to indicate what habitat you sampled and record the time spent picking on your macroinvertebrate datasheet, and multiply the number of people picking. For example, today we sampled a riffle and had 3 of us picked for 12 minutes. Use the resources you have received in class to identify what you collected for each net set and record the number of each type of critter you collected.
Invertebrate monitoring provides a more complete picture of what's going on in your stream. While chemical monitoring provides a snapshot in time, the bugs give you the full feature film. Remember to keep a copy of your data sheets to compare your results over time and make a reference collection of the invertebrates that you collect at your stream. We hope that this review of the field methods makes you more comfortable and confident in your own techniques. Don't forget to turn in an activity report for this and any of the other Stream Team activities in which you participate. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach any of the staff at the phone and email information provided below.